Salute, big salute, big salute, big salute. Yeah, we back, we back, we back. Remember, use your big stick while speaking gently. I love y'all, man. Let's jump right back into it. Chapter 27, The Troubled America, No Peace, or No Peace in the Troubled America. Yeah. I think that's going to be the title. No Peace in the Troubled America. Man, America, in trying to hold her place as the greatest power among the nations of earth, is one of the most troubled countries on earth today. The world has never before seen the top rulers of the land leaving their offices to visit nations abroad. The purpose of these visits to foreign countries is to make peace with them after years of troubling them. America brought all of her troubles upon herself. She alone is to be charged with being the cause of the troubled world and people today. America loves meddling into other people's affairs. She just cannot stay out of other people's business. Whether they be a 2 cents worth soapbox teacher or presidents and kings of countries. America is like a big Karen, always in somebody's business. That damn Karen. Ken and Karen. America's actions fit the description of the prophecy Bible. The beast has eyes around about. This refers to the mechanical listening devices with which America listens in on other people's private affairs, as well as her listening in on foreign governmental affairs. This also refers to her powerful telescope. America goes abroad and makes war against other people. Then she charges them with making war against her, when she is the one who is guilty of the war making. The Bible says, Allah God will destroy those who delight themselves in making war. Oh, that was a short chapter. So this 28 right behind it. I guess we could do chapter 28. Oh no, chapter 28 is modern America as merciless as ancient Nineveh, Ninevah, Ninevah, Nineveh, Nineveh. Yeah, we're gonna say that. That's gonna be the next chapter. We'll say that 28. Will it just be just a little short read right here? A little short read. The troubled America, no peace. No peace in the troubled America. Just watch the news, man. Why are we all in other people's business? Like, we need to get our home straight first. They ain't taking care of the slaves. You know they owe us money. They don't want to pay. They want to pay everybody else, but they don't want to take care of us, man. What's up with that? Why they don't want to take care of us, man? That's crazy. They know they need to cut that out. That's a bad one. They know they need to cut that out, man. America, America, America. Man. Home sweet home. That's crazy. Man. You don't fully realize it until you all the way out of her. You like, man, I can't believe so. Everybody there who like, man, them boys over there tripping. That's home. We love home. But we just know how evil our home is. You know what I'm saying? Just like y'all know. But y'all won't really feel it until you travel to another place. You know? And then a lot of y'all already feel it and see it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all already feel it and see it. But yeah, that was a quick little read right there. So y'all stay tuned, stay tuned. I may be back with another one. I'm gonna try to go live in a little bit. But I may just come back with another read. Because I know y'all getting ready to go out tonight, tear them streets up. Yeah. So big salute, man. Y'all stay safe, stay paranoid, stay dangerous. Keep your head on the swivel. Keep your head on the swivel, kid. Keep your head on the swivel. Don't let Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. Wait till you go in the house. Don't be halfway in and out the car, man. Wait till you go in the house to do all that. Texting, and all that. Man, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. Well, big salute to everybody, man. Love y'all, man. Y'all stay tuned. Aye.